case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1941 case before the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, matters of competition, implied contracts, and the dance of corporate partnership took center stage. The case pitted the interests of Parev Products Company, Inc. against Rokeach and Sons, Inc., exploring the confines of a negative covenant in a contract and how it can bind corporate behaviors into a competitive future. Decades earlier, in 1924, a unique partnership was forged between the two companies as Parev granted Rokeach an exclusive license to utilize a proprietary formula for a food product known as Parev schmaltz. A clause in the contract sought to restrain Rokeach from producing or selling a similar product after the contract reached its end. However, as the years rolled on, Rokeach decided not to renew the agreement and ventured into the production of a new culinary product, Niafat, significantly benefiting Parev in royalties. But then the narrative took a twist. Rokeach initiated the distribution of a cooking oil named Kea. Parev quickly stepped in, arguing that the new cooking oil was an infringement of their former agreement's implied negative covenant. In seeking to halt Rokeach's actions, Parev sought an injunction against Kea, accusing Rokeach of seeking to undermine the market for Niafat. The lower court took a different view, however. It concluded that the proposed injunction, rather than serving to protect Parev's interests, was biased against the defendant and left the ruling in favor of Rokeach. It was decided that while Parev could demonstrate a loss in the Niafat market, the proposed injunction was deemed too aggressive. In the end, the lower court's decision stood. The defendant, Rokeach, won their legal expenses. Meanwhile, Parev was left with the options of requesting a retrial or potentially filing a new lawsuit, but with an argument that would not clash with the current ruling. The decision highlights the intricacies of implied contracts and emphasizes the delicate dance required to protect corporate interests while maintaining a competitive edge.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.